Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to AppIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the install unknown apps on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. Now keep this in mind, you are doing this at your own risk, right? And it's always better to not put your phone at risk. But in any case, if this is something that you're sure that you want to do, then I'm just providing you with the steps here. So go ahead and swipe up and go to your settings and go to security and privacy. Scroll down to where you have more security settings, click on that. And from here, you will scroll down to where you find install unknown apps. You can click on that. This will give you a list of all the different applications that you can enable so that you can install those unknown applications through. And as you can see, I have a bunch of different options such as the App Starter, the Chrome, the Drive, the Edge, the Galaxy Store, Gmail, My Files, etc. So if you're going to install unknown apps, just go ahead and toggle whichever one that you want and you'll be able to install the unknown applications from these different sources. So very easy and very simple stuff, guys. And as you can see from the description, it says installing apps from this source may put your phone and data at risk. So you need to be mindful of this. And as I said, that you're doing this at your own risk, but these are just the steps that you need to follow in order to install unknown applications if you so desire. So I really hope you found this useful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, and I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to become a growing part of this community. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.